Okay guys, it's Tuesday, the 7th of May. I've just been triggered into a long position on the FTSE 100. So after this, actually after the 8 a.m. signal candle, it happened so fast I almost missed the entry into the trade. Now, as always with the live trade, I'll talk you through the analysis. I will talk you through trade management. I'm hoping for a nice simple bounce. Not much higher, to be honest, and we will be out of this trade. If we can get back toward the sort of previous swing highs up here. Now, we've just had the bank holiday on the Monday, so coming into today, first of all, pre-market, I was being a little bit more cautious. I didn't really want to get into any entries pre-markets. However, we broke up above this zone here, and we started bouncing all morning. We then had this bounce here, we broke up, we pulled back again, and into the 8 a.m. open we got a big strong pin bar, which also found support at the MA200. So, a little bit of a double bottom. We've got the MA200 down here as an added confluence. We are sitting down from the close price from, it would be Friday now. So there's a gap on the market, which is potentially acting as a draw to the buyers. So everything lined up for a potential bullish bounce. Really, at least up toward the previous swing point. We do have, I don't know what I just clicked there. That one, okay. We do have a little bit of resistance sitting at this level right here. We can see where the candles have paused onto a potential level of support and resistance. But I'm hoping for the bounce. It's very, very early trade. I've not really had one of these for quite some time. I've not even finished my morning smoothie, and as I mentioned, I almost missed the setup. So when you are trading around the open, it can be a little bit more sort of choppy, a little bit more bouncy. A lot of people don't like it. I actually know quite a few professional traders who avoid the first sort of hour to hour and a half completely. And then I also know another portion of people who love it, and they only trade during the sort of first hour to hour and a half, because it's very fast. If they can get their entries, they can be in, they can be out, they can get their money, and they can be finished. Me, I'm pretty sort of in the middle when it comes to trading around the open. I don't mind it. It can be a little bit more sort of emotional because the market can jump around very quickly, but if it's a good entry, it's a good entry. That's the way I look at it. And sometimes you can just get in. You can get a nice big move like this. And I'm hoping this one's just going to come up and test toward these levels. We're getting up towards sort of where I would be happy to consider taking profits. And then what I will do is I will jump onto the daily time frame. We'll have a look at why I was looking at this zone. But yeah, I mean, it was a good area for a potential bullish bounce. I didn't really expect it to come in like it's coming in right now. Okay, so trade closed, £400 profit. Pretty much exactly what I was looking for, a nice fast early morning scalp. I'm really happy because it's just after the bank holiday. You know, nobody wants to come back to work after the bank holiday, and for me that means I'm finished, and it is 8:10 in the morning. Yeah, these are the days that we live for as traders. This is why I love trading, when you get this freedom from the workday. You know, most people are still on their way to work, but it doesn't happen every time. Okay, so on the daily time frame, still got it all marked up from the last few times we've been doing it. Basically what I was looking at is the market has dropped down into this gap area here on the daily time frame. Now, that is a potential bounce area. Coming into the start of the day, again, we're testing down at that level, and we've started to press higher. As we pressed higher, we started to pull back into two significant spikes right here, which are potentially, if we break up above, support. So we've got this support where we've bounced, we've then broken up above the two spikes, we've pulled back into the spikes. So again, it's another sort of boost of potential support. And then I was looking for the move up to the previous swing on the 5-minute chart. And another reason, you know, there's not much resistance sitting up here until we start to get back up toward these levels. So it's giving you a clean road for the trade. Okay, so very fast video today. £400 profit. It is 8:11. I am going to call that a day. and finish up. As always, I hope that was helpful, guys. I hope you're all having a great trading week. I'm James Orr, and thank you.